Understanding crowlapper, a dive into idiomatic expressions. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, crowlapper. It's a quirky expression, isn't it? Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The term, crowlapper, isn't commonly used in modern English and may not be found in conventional dictionaries. It appears to be a compound noun made up of crow, referring to the black bird known for its intelligence and adaptability, and lapper, which is not a standard term in English but suggests someone who laps or takes in something. In the absence of a widely recognized meaning, we can infer that it could describe someone who consumes or takes in what the crow represents, such as knowledge or adaptability. However, since this is not an established idiom or phrase in English, its meaning may vary by region or context. Expressions like crowlapper, whether established or coined, show the creativity of language. Idioms and expressions add color to our conversations and often reflect cultural aspects or collective experiences. They're not meant to be taken literally but understood figuratively, providing a unique way to convey a message or describe a situation. When encountering or using phrases that are not widely recognized, such as crowlapper, context is key. You can introduce the phrase by relating it to a common situation or emotion, ensuring that the listener can infer the meaning from the context provided. It's a great way to engage with language and even contribute to its evolution. And that wraps up our exploration of crowlapper. Remember, language is fluid, and new expressions are born every day. Whether you're learning or teaching English, embracing this creativity can make the journey both educational and enjoyable. Until our next video, keep learning and keep having fun with English.